Welcome sir to the Future of Mobility series by ITS India Forum. We have Mr. Mangal Dev with us. He is India South Asia Head for Mobility in Hitachi. Sir, speaking about the South Asia Head for Mobility, I would like to ask that what are the mobility solution you have given to the India country?
Thank you very much for inviting me here, and let me tell you that Hitachi is one of the largest company globally where we are deploying mobility solutions not only in railways but also in different modes of transport. So we are trying to make sure that the entire mobility sector, whether it is road or railways or air or marine, so we can integrate it together using different assets and infrastructure, but also a lot of IT, IoT and digital solutions, ensuring that it can work as a mobility as a service. In India, we have been involved for a very, very long time. So right from metro, the urban transport system that you see in the city of Delhi, NCR, in Noida, Kolkata, Chennai, and also Mumbai. So we are responsible for implementing the systems, the safety and the security and the monitoring system for railways, what we call signaling, train control and communication system. So this puts us in the forefront of a partner of urban transport in various cities, both for this state and the center. Largely we are working with the Indian Railways, where we are modernizing their ICT system, basically the intelligent transport system, by implementing what we call as the train detection system, as well as route setting system through a system called electronic interlocking, which helps to safely ensure that trains can pass different points safely at a particular speed without colliding with each other, therefore giving us a throughput and also the safety. So very recently we commissioned the freight corridor, the dedicated freight corridor between Rewari to Makarpura, which is close to 950 route kilometers, and this is by far the most modern project of India for carrying freight, and this has already become a favorite of the country because large number of freight trains are being carried on this. So we provide again a safety and train management control system, operational control system, which is set up at Ahmedabad, so which monitors the entire network of 950 kilometers and all the 31 stations. So this being said, now we also have another company with us, which we acquired from Thales, ground transportation system. So they take care of the entire ground transportation system, including the highways. So they can manage the complete tolling system as well as monitoring, and also creating operational control centers. And therefore, what we can see is that Hitachi is able to provide the entire gamut of transport system, or support entire gamut of transport system by their asset-based technologies, what we call operational technologies, but also working on ICT technologies and digital technology, thus combining it together to create a sustainable and digital transport system.
Okay, sir. Great to know, sir. Speaking about the expertise which you have in the railway sector, it's really great to know that Hitachi is working in that sector, and we also know that there are very few organizations who are working in the railway sector. So, I would like to ask that is there any policy changes you would like to incorporate in the railway sector?
So railway policy changes are, it's kind of a very well thought and an effort of decades. The biggest one being to carry more and more capacity on their network, because this is very, very capital intensive, and with a very, very safe way of transporting it. While they have the digital train detection and route setting system, but what is required on top of that is what is called a fail-safe system, what we call as the automatic train protection. So automatic train protection was a policy which became more and more, uh, converged into a real policy only a decade ago. And Indian Railway experimented with different type of technologies. Now they have decided for the last 5 years that they will use indigenous technology developed in India called Kavach, so which will ensure that all the trains are equipped with this system. The drivers will get the information of the trains running ahead of it, and also the restriction which are available on the route. Therefore, if they fail to control the train, then this system takes over, which is already working in the background. The management know how the train has to, how fast the train has to travel, and if it has to stop, then how quickly it can be stopped. So basically balancing these two things, and then taking over from the driver, and doing an automatic train stoppage. So this is perhaps will take the safety of the railway network to a great degree. So this is the one of the policy which has become some of the hot policy which is being implemented by railways now.
Okay, that's great to know, sir. Because we all know that beyond India, other countries are always already successful in the railway sector. As we saw that Japan is doing a great job there. There is driverless train over there. So I think the solution which you are providing and the help you are providing in the Kavach, I think there would be a lot of great change.
So just to add that I was talking about railways, whereas the urban transport, you see the metros in Delhi or metros in Mumbai or metros in Greater Noida, the automatic train operation, the same technology was already implemented from day one.
Yeah.
So all the metros are, are running with automatic train operation, and now there is another level, which is called unattended train operation, which means there is not even an attendant on the train. So all the supervision, all the controls, all the monitoring of the train is done through a operational control center. So people sitting remotely are monitoring the entire process of operation of the train. So this is already in vogue in Delhi, and coming up in many other cities. So Hitachi, actually coming from Japan, is also responsible for the entire signaling system which is deployed in Japan, and we are bringing that technology. So the same technology will be deployed on the high speed, the bullet train system that will run between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, and Hitachi will support that project with their technologies.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving your valuable time and being a member with ITS India Forum. It's great to have you with us.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you so much for